Believe it or not, we here at 3411 Heaven are responsible college students who like to take care of our things. In an effort to do so, take care of our cameras, our new one especially, video over here. We have received an optics care and cleaning kit by Complete. Or I don't know if they mean like it's a complete kit or if that's the brand, because it's actually imported by Adorama, the company that we bought our camera from. Either way, we'll be taking a look inside of this kit and seeing what makes a good lens cleaning kit. Here we go. Unlike most of our videos that involve boxes and tape, this one's a wee bit more complicated and may or may not be a bit dangerous. We take the knife, pull it off, and then we carefully cut into the plastic, not towards ourselves. Okay, never mind, that's totally not gonna work. We're just gonna have to give it the old bam. Didn't injure myself. Cool. We take it and realize that I forgot to read what's in this. It contains a lens cleaning wipes, lens cleaning spray, micro fine lens cloth, fine brush, air blower, and a carrying pouch for all of your lens cleaning needs for photography and video optics, binoculars, and spotting scopes, filters, and other glass elements. Any glass can be cleaned with this. We continue cutting it open without cutting ourselves. And now just give it a rip. Let her rip, tater chip. Pull out a little more. This is a bit aggressive. Try this at home, kids. First off, I believe this is the Yep, just as I suspected, this is the air blower. Put the cap back on. We pull out this cardboard. To reveal the carrying pouch, which I think has some other goodies in it. Let's get this nice Velcro sound. One more time. 3 times for good measure. Open it up. You will find our micro fine cloth. That's what it said on the Jack. That's what it said on the back. It said micro fine, as well as our lens cleaning spray in a nice bottle labeled Pro Optics.
Fruit spray? Sure.
Set that aside, as well as the lens cleaning wipes, which look like little napkins that you get at a restaurant to wash your hands off. Moistened disposable cleaning wipe for coated optics. When you don't want your optic to be cold, you make sure it's wearing a coat. Some more wipes, and then some chapstick. Actually, why is there a hair in there? This is oh, that makes what sense. Oh my goodness, it's like a hairy lipstick. There's the brush. That makes sense why there was the hair. It was just a brush. This is I don't know if I should be putting that against my skin. That probably gets some dust on it, but tickles a little. We put that back in, like so. Here we go. And that's it. There are some little compartments on the inside, as well as a nice holster clip so you can put it on your belt and clean your lens at any time. That's all we have for this kit. Maybe we'll make a tutorial on how to clean your camera lens, because I sure as heck don't know how, but we will figure it out, people. And if you haven't figured this out, meaning that you should have subscribed by now, let me guide you to the button, which is going to show up right here. Also, don't forget to drop a like on today's video, and make sure you check out some of our other content over here. Thanks for watching, folks. go clean your camera lenses by checking out the link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Bird out.